Question number 2. Mr. and Mrs. Jones are planning a holiday to the Majestic Hotel in the Cape Verde Islands. The table gives information about the prices of holidays to the Majestic Hotel. Mr. and Mrs. Jones are thinking about going on holiday on the 20th of February for 7 nights or on the 10th of April for 14 nights. Mr. and Mrs. Jones have 2 children. Compare the cost of these 2 holidays for the Jones family. So, key thing, we need to compare the costs. So, in February, we're told here, we're looking to look down the table, January, 29th, now 6th to the 18th of February, but we're leaving on the 20th of February, so we're going to use this information here. So in February the 20th, it's going to be for 7 nights, we're told we're going 7 nights, so it's going to be £714 for an adult. So an adult, £714. Okay. In April, on the 10th, leaving on the 10th of April for an adult, it's going to be for 14 nights this time in April, so we're using this line here, so 14 nights, £802. So it's important to realise 7 nights for this piece of information, £714, 14 nights, £802 in April. The other key piece of information here is saying that the price for children, 95% of the adult price for 7 nights, okay there, and 85% of the adult price for 14 nights. So here we go, let's compare the 2 prices. And for February, okay, the child's cost. So the child cost in February is going to be 95% of the adult price. So 0.95 multiplied by 714. 95%, equivalent decimal 0.95. That gives us a child price of £678 and 30 pence. So we now know the cost of 1 adult in February the 20th, for 7 nights, and the price of 1 child for 7 nights. So, Mr. and Mrs. Jones, 2 children, 2 adults, so total cost is going to be 2 times the adult price of 714 plus 2 times £678 and 30 pence. That comes to a total of £2,784 and 60 pence for 7 nights. Now, let's look at in April then. Go in April the 10th. Price of an adult, £802. Child price, 85% for 14 nights. So, the child price here for April is going to be 0.85 multiplied by 802. 85%, the decimal 0.85 equivalent. So, the child price for April is going to be £681 and 70 pence. 681 and 70 pence. So again, we've got 2 adults and 2 children. 2 times 802 plus 2 times £681 and 70 pence, giving us a total price for the April holiday of £2,967 and 40 pence. And that is for 14 nights. So we've now worked out the cost of the 2 holidays, and it's asked us to compare the costs we have done there. £2,784.60 for 7 nights against £2,967.40 for 14 nights.